The birth of a baby at a Catoosa QuikTrip earlier this month is getting a lot of attention on social media.
The mother gave birth to a healthy baby girl with the help of some first responders, but says she didn't even know she was expecting. News on 6's Madeline Dunn spoke to a local doctor about what mothers should do if they find themselves in this kind of situation.
Earlier this month, a couple on their way to Tulsa made a stop at a QuikTrip in Catoosa where the woman unexpectedly gave birth to a baby girl, and she didn't even know she was pregnant. Now, while doctors say this is uncommon, it's not impossible. Doctors at Hillcrest Medical Clinic in Tulsa say cryptic pregnancies happen when mothers don't realize they're pregnant until later in the pregnancy or when labor begins.
Cryptic pregnancies are usually pretty rare. We don't see them super often.
There are several reasons for a woman to experience a cryptic pregnancy that go beyond a negative test.
People who are really at risk for things like cryptic pregnancies are anyone that has irregular periods for whatever reason. So whether that's something like PCOS, certain medications, or even like hormonal transitions like perimenopause, things like that. When your periods are super irregular, you may not be prompted that anything is necessarily wrong.
Pregnancy care providers diagnose cryptic pregnancies just like any other pregnancy through ultrasounds and blood and urine tests. Dr. Koshy says that's why it's important to not only rely on home pregnancy tests.
Usually a negative pregnancy test is just a faulty test, one that maybe wasn't used correctly or whatever. But I always encourage people, I'm like, if you get a negative pregnancy test and you're still not getting your period, you're still having symptoms, wait a few days, wait a week, take another one.
Complications from cryptic pregnancies tend to be higher, which is why Dr. Koshy says mothers should get medical help soon.
A lot of times I do recommend people go to a higher level of care hospital. If you didn't know you were pregnant, we don't know how far along you are.
Doctors here at Hillcrest say if you find yourself in a situation like this, head to the emergency room immediately or call for help. Reporting in Tulsa, Madeline Dunn, Oklahoma's own News on 6.
And family members say the baby born at the QuikTrip is now in the NICU, but they are hoping that she's going to have a quick recovery. If you would like to help them, we do have a link inside this story on newson6.com.